What's up, everyone? Jimmy here. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into 5 instant ramen recipes that you absolutely need to try. From spicy garlic to cheesy bacon, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started and take these humble noodles to a whole new level. Alright, ramen lovers, first up, we're making spicy garlic ramen. This one's for all you spice enthusiasts out there. First, grab your favorite brand of instant ramen. Any flavor will do, but I'm using chicken flavored today. In a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1 minced garlic clove. Once the noodles are cooked, drain them and add them straight to your bowl of spicy sauce. Mix it all up, making sure every noodle is coated in that fiery goodness. Top with chopped green onions and a fried egg with a runny yolk. There you have it. Spicy garlic ramen that's bursting with flavor and will set your taste buds on fire. Next up, we're making creamy chicken ramen. This one's like a warm hug on a cold day. Just like before, start by cooking your ramen noodles according to the package instructions. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and cook for about a minute. Slowly whisk in 1½ cups of chicken broth until the sauce is smooth and starts to thicken. Add half a cup of heavy cream and stir until combined. Stir in 1/4 cup of shredded cooked chicken and season with salt and pepper to taste. Once your noodles are cooked, drain them and add them straight to that creamy, dreamy sauce. Top with chopped green onions and sesame seeds. This creamy chicken ramen is pure comfort food with a touch of elegance. Get ready for a flavor explosion because we're about to make teriyaki beef ramen. This one's for all you savory food lovers out there. Start by cooking your ramen noodles. We're using beef-flavored ramen. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add half a pound of thinly sliced beef and cook until it's browned on both sides. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1 minced garlic clove. Pour that amazing sauce over the beef and let it simmer until it thickens up. Once your noodles are cooked, drain them and add them to the pan with the teriyaki beef. Toss everything together until the noodles are coated in that delicious sauce. To finish, sprinkle on some sesame seeds and chopped green onions. This teriyaki beef ramen is like a party in your mouth. Calling all veggie lovers, this one's for you. We're making Veggie Delight ramen that's packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. Cook your favorite ramen noodles according to the package directions. Any flavor will work. While the noodles are cooking, let's get those veggies ready. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Add in your favorite chopped veggies. I'm using broccoli florets, sliced carrots, and snap peas. Cook them until they're tender crisp, about 5 to 7 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Once your noodles are cooked, drain them and add them to the pan with the veggies. Pour that delicious sauce over everything and toss to combine. To top it off, sprinkle on some sesame seeds and chopped green onions. This Veggie Delight ramen is a delicious and healthy way to enjoy your favorite noodles. Alright folks, get ready for the ultimate indulgence. We're making cheesy bacon ramen that is pure comfort food heaven. Start by cooking those ramen noodles. We're using chicken-flavored ramen for this one. Cook half a cup of chopped bacon in a pan over medium heat until it's nice and crispy. Remove the bacon from the pan and set it aside, but keep that glorious bacon fat in the pan. Pour in 1 cup of milk and bring it to a simmer. Gradually whisk in half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese until it's melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Once your noodles are cooked, drain them and add them straight to that cheesy, bacony goodness. Stir everything together until the noodles are coated in all that cheesy goodness. Sprinkle on that crispy bacon we set aside earlier and some chopped green onions for a touch of freshness. This cheesy bacon ramen is pure indulgence and will satisfy all your cheesy bacony cravings. Thanks for watching, ramen lovers. We hope you enjoyed these delicious ramen recipes as much as we enjoyed making them. Whether you're craving something spicy, creamy, savory, veggie-packed, or indulgently cheesy, there's a ramen recipe here for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. See you next time, and happy cooking!